Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simplest handshake problems. First, power cycle the Xbox and TV, hold the console power for 10 seconds to clear temporary glitches. Next, inspect and reset the HDMI cable at both ends. Faulty seating breaks the HDMI handshake. Once done, switch the TV to the exact input and bypass any AV receiver or HDMI switch. If you have an HDMI 2.1 cable, try that. Otherwise, test a known good cable and a different TV port to confirm the signal path. Once basic checks fail, force the console into a stable video mode so you can change output settings. You can boot into low-resolution mode by holding the bind plus eject buttons while powering on. This drops output to 640x480 so you can access settings. Make sure you test a direct connection to the TV or a monitor to isolate AV receivers. Also, turn off HDMI CEC and auto resolution features on the TV. Then set Xbox display to 720p or 1080p to recover a picture. To finish, update or restore the console and only reset as a last resort. If you get a picture, go to System Updates and install any pending firmware, because HDMI firmware fixes often resolve handshake issues. If settings won't stick, try an offline system update from a USB stick. If you must reset, select Keep My Games/Apps first, then do a full reset only if needed. If things still fail, remember the key troubleshooting tip. Always confirm with another display and a known good HDMI cable before declaring hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.